Hello everyone, welcome back to Ram's tutorial. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated in our latest tutorial. So today, my dear viewers, we are going to discuss or tackle, it's all about confusing words. And how do you remember or how do you differentiate about these confusing words? These words are there, that is a contraction form of the word they are, and there. These three particular words are very quite confusing because they are what we call in homophones. That means to say sounds the same, but they are actually different meanings and different spellings. That's why we need to tackle this one by one so that you can understand what is their functions and uses of these particular words. Remember, these three words has what we call different uses and functions of it. So that's why we need to discuss it, we need to tackle it today. Once again, good day and welcome again to Ram's tutorial. Good morning everyone, good morning class. We're going to discuss today about how do you remember the difference between there, and there. Although these are what we call confusing words because it sounds similar. But remember, their definitions and meanings and spellings are different. But perhaps the biggest issue is that they are homophones, which are words that are pronounced the same but have different spellings and meanings. So today class, we are going to tackle the definition of it and functions of these particular words. Here we go. The first one is there. The word there is an adverb meaning that places, but it is also used as a pronoun introducing a clause or a sentence. We know what is clause, my dear students, or sentence. Clause is a group of words that expresses a thought or expresses a complete idea, and that is a sentence. Examples. We have I love Japan. I go there every summer. So I use the word there, which is an adverb that meaning it talks about the places where I go, which is Japan. Okay, Japan is a nice place. Okay, it's a nice country to visit in. Next, number 2 examples. There is a mouse under the table. So we use their class, it's just because it's pointing out the mouse. Where is the mouse? Under the table. Okay? So this word there is an adverb meaning that it talks about the places where it shows as a pronoun that introducing a sentence or complete thought or meaningful sentences at all. The next to remember is that there is a possessive pronoun. When we said possessive pronoun class, it is used to show ownership. That means to say, for example, you have your own car, you have your own things, you have your own valuable things or whatsoever. You can use these particular words using there. Okay, it's a possessive pronoun again that it shows ownership of a thing or a concept. Say for examples, can we take their car instead? We use their. Remember, don't confuse about pronunciation and sounds. Of course, again, these are homophones and sounds same, but their spellings and functions and uses are different. That is their what you call differences. So let's remember with these, my dear students or my dear viewers. Second, their presentations was by far the best. Okay? So remember The word there, it shows ownership. So for example here, it shows ownership that he has a car. Then the presentation was by the best. Okay, they represent about the presentations rather. Okay, that's using about there. A possessive pronoun that shows ownership. That shows that we have our own things to be remembered of. Okay. Did you understand, my dear viewers or my dear students? Okay, remember this is a language grammar. Okay, we need to know their functions and uses of which. We're going to proceed to number 3. We tackle about there. That is what you call class a contraction form of they are. Okay, so don't confuse about there. Okay, again, there is a construction of they are used as a matter of style or informal speech and writing. Okay? Construction of they are, and that is there. Okay, that they are. Examples: they are going on vacation for 6 weeks. So, okay, 6 weeks is the maximum of more than 2 months. More than, yeah, it's almost 2 months rather. Okay, we are going to emphasize the contraction form of they are. So they're going on vacations for at least 6 weeks. Okay, that's pointing it out. Next, let me know when they are or they're ready. Okay, so we are going to circle the contraction form of they are. Okay, so we're going to let them know if you are ready, of course. Okay, when they are ready. Okay, and that is what you call the difference, or how we are going to remember the difference of these 3 words. Again, they are or there, that's a construction form. Next, we have there, it's a possessive pronoun that shows ownership. There, it's an adverb, okay, that shows places, okay, that shows as a pronoun in the particular sentences. Okay, now class, we are going to present to our motivation process. Okay, let's have first, direction says, don't forget, remember my dear students, don't forget to read the directions, because reading the directions will help you a lot on how to answer the following questions. Number 1, let's read first. Fill in the blanks with the correct usage of they are or there, and there. Number 1. At times, blank, a bit annoying. At times, blank, a bit annoying. Is it there or a construction of they are, there, and there? Okay, so we're going to concentrate first their uses and functions. Okay, is it there? It's an adverb. Okay, choose also as a pronoun. There it shows ownership. Or they are, construction of they are there. Or it's a matter of style or informal speech and writing. Number 1, answer is, please follow guys. You can get 1/2 crosswise for 1. Okay, this is number 1. 2, blank, already at the airport. Blank, already at the airport. Is it there, or there? Number 2 answer, we have a contraction form of they are, already at the airport. Means to say they are already there. Someone left blank package behind your bag, something lifting their package there, so you have to check it whether it's safe or not. Okay, do you have an answer now? The answer for number 3 is, this is what we call when you set there a possessive pronoun, it's showing the ownership of this particular package. 4. Is blank any hope for humanity? Is blank any hope for humanity? Ownership. Next is that ownership rather adverbs of places. Okay, choose as pronoun or contraction form of they are. That choose as a matter of style or informal speech and writing. Number 4 answer, guys. Please keep on watching. Please watch till the end of our discussions. This will be our lesson for today. Today is Monday. Well, you've got me blank. What is supposed the right answer for this? For number 5, we are going to write there. Okay, that means to say this particular word is, it shows about the placed and choose as a pronoun. 6. It is blank prerogative. Okay, that was number 6. So if you choose possessive pronoun or places, adverb of places, or it's a matter of style or informal speech and writing rather. Number 6 we have showing ownership. Okay, shows ownership. 7. Blank older than Clarence and Mickey. Right? Blank older than Clarence and Mickey. Right? Okay, what's your answer? Our answer is a short form for contraction. Okay, that is they are. Okay, sorry, I forget. Okay, that's a construction there. Okay. 8. Next number. I have to agree with you. It's blank. We need to fill in the right answer. Your right answer is that there. Okay, that means to say the meaning of this is placed and used as a pronoun. Will anyone let me borrow blank K? Will anyone let me borrow blank K? What is your answer? That was number 9. Okay, that means to say we're going to use, it's because of the word K, so we're going to use a pronoun using, this is what you call, it shows about ownership. Ownership. 10. Blank going to walk blank instead. That was number 10. So we're going to answer for, we are going to fill in the two what we call words which has correct usage of these. So first we have the contraction form rather of they are, contraction form, and then adverb of place. Okay, they're going to walk there instead. Will anyone let me borrow their K? I have to agree with you there. Next, they're older than Clarence and Mike, right? It is their prerogative. Well, you've got me there. Is there any hope for humanity? Someone left their package behind. They're already at the airport. At times, they are a bit angry. Don't forget again, class, to read these particular directions and of course understand the definitions and uses of each word. You're going to read thoroughly, class, their definitions and uses, and of course the examples that will be, it serves as your guide today. And then next, there and there. Okay, that is how we are going to remember the difference of these three words. Hope, my dear students, these particular words and uses can enlightening your mind. Okay, wakening up your mind today. Okay, it's a brighter day. Hope that everyone stays safe and healthy. Don't forget again to subscribe to our channel, Rams Tutorial Educational. Hit the bell button so that you're updated on more updates to our videos tutorial. Okay, so if you have any comments or suggestion, please comment down below. Okay, and we will do some updates regarding your suggestions, what topics that we are going to discuss for the next video tutorials. Hoping guys to see you soon or to see you in our next video tutorial. God bless and bye bye and mabuhay!